guys, welcome to my channel with Azzy. The time now is probably 10 minutes past 11. I know it's quite late, just woke up, been feeling a bit tired and worn out. It's my off day today, it's Friday, and I thought let me do a bit of self-care and clean around the place, show you guys what I've got, an update on some furniture. I've been feeling so much pressure to actually get like everything at once, but I can't. I've got a bit of work to do. I'm gonna do some like an unboxing video for you guys, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the things that I did buy, even if they're small, guys. I've been having a lot of pressure to actually get things, all of my things at one go, which is impossible because I have to pay for my car as well and some other things as well, so can't get everything at once, but it will get better. Yeah, stay tuned. So I do think that I might dress a bit warm because I don't know what's going on with the weather outside. I just don't know. Let's find something to wear. So I told you guys that I got some pots. These were from Checkers. These were from Checkers. They are non-stick. I got this 7-piece pot for 800 rand, I think. Yes, for 800 rand. Don't know if I still kept the box. I might have. One thing about buying things, you always need to keep the boxes at least for like 6 months or so. So I still have my microwave box, my speaker box that I'm going to show you, my iron box right here from Bennett. And then I got these pots from Quissimo. Yes, Quissimo. Got that. And yeah. So those are the things that I did get. The speaker box, quite cute. I got it from Cash Crusaders, I think for 300 rands. I think I got it for 300 rands. It does have a warranty to it, so that's amazing. One other thing that I did get that I didn't have and I've wanted for some time is these side tables. Placed like these things on it. It's a 2-drawer. As you can see, it's quite new. I am not a person who judges and like shades people who buy secondhand things. I buy secondhand things all the time. Another thing that I did buy were these cushions and bedding, but like it's inside the cupboard. I haven't used it yet. I still need to buy the duvets, like the duvet covers and everything. Then I can use that. But I bought these from Jet, and yes, I bought them from Jet. And I bought some like champagne glasses. They call it flutes at home for like 89 rand each. They look super cute. I think I'm gonna insert a video of me using them here. So I'm one person who would buy things secondhand. These side cupboards, they brand new, guys. They brand new. I don't know if you saw. Like, they are proper brand new. Sorry, those are my sweets. These are like proper brand new. The lady told me that she hadn't used them for some time now, and she put them in the spare bedroom, and I got them for 900 rands. She says no one has ever used them. I put them in my spare bedroom, but now I'm changing it into something else, so I don't need them anymore. She gave it to me for 900 rands. Just go on Decor and check how much those side tables cost, and then you'll come and say, The lady does have 2 extra side tables for 900 rands. She's around Cape Town. Do hit me up if you want. The side tables, they're exactly the same as mine. They go for 900 rands. Ndinomona, guys, ingaske isifunyane ngumuntu endimaziyo ezi side tables. I don't know. So yeah, so I also want to unbox my, I don't know, Pampers, is it called Pampers leaves from Ikaya Homeware. I found them on Instagram because the millennial mom from YouTube actually received like a gift. Okay, so this is the Ikaya, yes, homeware and deco Pampers that I ordered. And they are on Instagram as Ikaya Homeware. Their number is 0792906405. It's even available on their website, www.ikayahomeware.co.za. They have the best stuff when it comes to like furniture and homeware things. Here, I'm gonna try and open this. It's actually long, which I didn't anticipate. So I got this, like, I don't know, it was a Tuesday. I think it was Tuesday. And I was working, no, I got it Monday. But I didn't open it because I wanted to make it special and open it on my YouTube channel. It shreds, okay? It shreds. I think it needs like a bigger vase. I don't know how I feel about like shredding it. I mean, bleaching it when it shreds like this. And remember, I've got like a mat on the floor, so I don't know how's that gonna work. I just love it because I'm just thinking in my head what I'm gonna do. They are big. Quickly in the vase. I got this from Pep, the vase. I got it from Pep. Here, the last video I had, I did do an unboxing of stuff that I got from Pep, and I think this was one of the things that I said I got. There you go. There you go. Hi, let's see how you look, mama, next to my bed. Hopefully I don't have people who are going to be sleeping over who have allergies towards plants. So this is how it's looking. I'm definitely happy. I'm so happy, you guys have no idea. Do hate the fact that it's a bit shredding, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. Let me move this radio at the speaker and put it like straight in the middle. I don't know where my side lamp is going to sit. Maybe I should put it on the other side. So this is how I look. In the end, I just made myself like a nice bun there, and I'm dressed like that. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. So this is how I look. Final look. Final look. Oh, my slippers, it's not giving. This is how I look. My friend said it's a bit cold outside, so I'm gonna add a jean jacket. Just gonna put it in the car. But yes, so today I decided not to use any makeup, not put on anything on my face, so that I can give my face some time to breathe. Hey, yeah. Okay, that's it. I am on my way out. Okay, so guys, I am going to be driving. I'm not going to be on my phone because it's not safe to do that. I am change of plans. I'm going to my friend's house to pick him up, and he promised to buy me some work equipment that I need. Also, I need a bit of fixing with my wardrobe. There's a part that was loose, so change of plans. I might just have to go to the place where I was going to do the spa, the massage. I might have to go to tomorrow. Rather, I might vlog that or do just a small reel for Instagram. So I'm going to my friend's house. I had forgotten actually that we had made plans to meet today, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna vlog when I get to his place. So now I'm at my friend's place, his home. I'm here to actually pick him up. I was so anxious coming here because this is one of the locations, dangerous, you know. And then those people from that logishi are saying your logishi is the one that is dangerous, so I was so anxious coming here. I do have an idea of the area because I did work here, my practicals, and I did take my brothers to a school here in this location to apply start of this year. So before I left home, I just asked my friend to kind of like give me a layout. What road will I be taking? How will I be driving? Like where, so I am here. I'm just waiting for him to finish up and he will be coming, and then I don't know where we're going. He was supposed to get me some stuff that I was going to use for my work. Shout out to supportive friends that will support you through and through. He's one of those people. I know him from high school and we just kept on being friends. He used to support me a lot when it came to my creativity, when it came to me singing, me YouTubing. He literally watches all my videos. So yeah guys, I am now picking him up, and we'll probably grab something to eat as well because I haven't eaten the whole day. I said I would make breakfast, but then I remembered that I had plans with him. By the time I finished with like preparing myself and cleaning up my place, it was already a bit late for me to actually make breakfast. So I don't know what he's gonna suggest, but like, hope it's something cool. Yeah. Do you guys love my rings and my hair? Anyway, let me just wait for my friend and I'll update you. This is my friend, guys. He doesn't exit. Like, I've been waiting. Isn't he a hang? I'll pull me. I will pull me. Why are you like a girl?
Let me just make sure if I have everything.
You look good.
Thank you.
Say hello, channel.
Hello, channel.
Welcome to my channel.
Welcome to Azi's channel.
I will pull me. I'm so upset. You don't have an idea. Why you gonna pull me? So this is my friend. I got pull me. One thing that you guys should know is that I got pull me. Sesfigile, agdala sesfigile. Dinjani ke ngokemva andikho ngathi bendichamele.
No, it's fine. It's only here. Like, is it? So
Yeah, because I sweat. That's why. Thank you.
No, I'm such a child when it comes to like good drinks.
But then you love your food. That's what I know. Put it in the cap.
In here.
In the cap. Definitely love my Pampas Campus. I never eat Pampas don't, but I really love it. Let's let the handy do the handy and the pretty just stay pretty. Did you hear that? It rhymes, eh?
It rhymes.
Yes. Decided to change into this outfit because I'm definitely going to be doing some work. Haven't done work throughout the day because we went to eat. Didn't get the stationery because it's super expensive. And because we are... It's unreasonably expensive. Is it Perplex? Perplex highlighters are 100 rand for 4.
Yeah, the price is perplexing.
The price is perplexing. So it is what it is. Awufuna uhlala nami usheke nami. Bye. Say bye, vlog.
Bye, vlog.
Bye, friend. Love you. Hey guys, thank you for being with me throughout this day. I couldn't vlog when we were having lunch because I was trying to be respectful to the both of us. And also people kept on looking at me like, is she gonna eventually vlog or not? I took my friend home. I did do like a small video when I was dropping him off. Came back, changed because we had load shedding. Now I am going to be doing some work because the electricity just came back now. So I'm going to be doing some work, but that's it for the day. Please do make sure to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Love you guys. $100 billion bucks. Mwah.